Lamarr was here, back with another video, back with another unboxing. Of course, something is in my eye. What the heck? Ah, like a Tasmanian devil threw some sand in my eye. All right, I'm better. Today, based on popular requests, I am bringing you another Funko video. Matter of fact, last week with my friend Michael, I went to a mall and we went to a few stores. We did Barnes and Nobles and a few, but the highlight was Hot Topic. I mean, look at this picture of their wall. This was just part of the wall. I didn't show all the Funkos. So yeah, we're going hunting for pops and I saw a couple Looney Tunes ones there. And I was like, you know what? Those are just so cool. I have to have them. All right, so we're here at, where are we at?
We're on Hot Topic, yo.
I'm so overwhelmed by all these. Look at all these pops.
Oh, look at all that. Look at all of that.
So we decided to do a hunt today. And so far, the only ones I've seen that I really like are these Looney Tunes ones, dude. Aren't they cool? So you have Bugs Bunny and I have Elmer Fudd. They don't have any others. I was hoping for Daffy Duck.
Who's Elmer Fudd?
He's you. Don't you like rabbit soup? I got them and then we went to another store to get a couple more because Hot Topic didn't have all of them. I got all of them that are on the back of the box. And let me just say disclaimer, I know that there are a few other exclusives out there for Looney Tunes. I only wanted these. Okay, so the first one I have from Looney Tunes Pop animation is Elmer Fudd. This is the Opera edition. This was only $5. Jeez, that was all, folks. So this is the Elmer Fudd one. As long as we keep my face out of this, I love the Beauty Guru method. You just put it to the camera and look. I like the horns. I just like the way he looks. This is like really cool. The heads do turn a little bit. Okay, that's creepy. Oh my God, that's creepy. Let's get another opera one. I think there's opera. So we're at this store called Chic. So I found a variation of the Bugs Bunny. So I bought the Bugs Bunny, but this is Bugs Bunny Opera. Yes. Don't fly away. Gotta make sure you don't fly away. Okay, no stand, good. There you go, Bugs Bunny at the opera. I love the little wings on his head. That's so cool. And the blonde hair. That is so, Elmer, if you don't get up. All right, let's take a look at another Bugs Bunny. This is just a regular Bugs Bunny. Here is what it looks like in the box if you want to get these yourself. As if it's my fault or something. So you can see this a little careful. This is not my complaint, but you can notice the nose. Paint job's a little off right there. You can also see a couple splashes in the back if you look close enough. There you go. I know Funko does the beady eyes, but I've seen them do regular eyes too. It just would be cool to see the more lifelike eyes on these. I know this saves costs and they're able to manufacture it quickly. I get why they do it. It'll be nice if they put a little white dot in there so you can kind of see his eyes. My thing, not really a big thing. Literally, my friend Michael picked this up from the back and surprised me because we were looking in our wall all over the place and he found it. That was like really cool.
Me
went like hunting.
I went in the back.
Deep hunting.
Deep back.
And got this is the one I was hoping to get. So this is the Daffy Duck one. So we're getting close. So here's what's missing. Left. So we got Sylvester and Tweety. I have Elmer Fudd. Oh no, I don't. Yeah, I have him.
Yeah.
And we're missing Taz. I was looking. Daffy Duck right there. I have the same thing about his eyes. Why he look like a demon? I get that it's a Funko thing, but man, do you turn to? Oh Lord have mercy. Okay, he has bigger feet, so he should sit up just fine. Taz, and I have not actually looked in the box. Like I got it and I put it to the side because I wanted to be surprised how they did the whirlwind, and that looks interesting. So here you go, Taz. Obviously Tasmanian devil. Speaking of which. I'm gonna be honest, they did the effect to me pretty well with the sand or whatever, the dirt kicking up around him. I thought that's done pretty well. And so the back you can see a lot more detail of that too. So I'm digging that. The last one was the one I was looking forward to the most. And so I'm really happy I got this one. This is Sylvester and Tweety. Same issue with the eyes. It's like, can y'all just put a dot in Sylvester's eye? I'm just saying. This one's gonna be tricky because I think there's 2 on 1 here. So they did separate them. So you get 2 pops in 1. I was thinking they were gonna be like on a stand so they kind of sit together. There is no stand in here. That would kind of be nice, but you know, I'll just have to be creative in where I put them. This is the same size as those that were in the cereal. This is Tweety. And yeah, same size as the the cereal ones that I have over there. And my boy Sylvester, I like him. I mean, I grew up with him. A couple of dings with the paint. I'm not anal about that because I collect these for fun. So let me put these up on the shelf. Kind of decide where I'm gonna put them, and then I'll show you that shelf. All right, guys, here is the shelf. I put them down here just because I want them separated. Eventually, if I put up something else here, I might move them here and just put them on that front row. Not sure yet. Sylvester and Tweety is sitting just fine. And yeah, that is really cool. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you enjoying these Funko videos. Again, this is not gonna be an everyday thing. It might not be every weekend thing, but so far, I'm enjoying them. I'm filling out the ones that I want. And so that's what's important. Of course, you're welcome in the comments to leave suggestions. Sometimes suggestions be like, oh, yeah, I do want that. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed this. Funko action! It's Funko weekend. Why did I say action? I tried to stop myself when I did this, but instead action came out and it's probably because I was thinking of foot action. I need to get some shoes. Guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye!
He's the funniest guy who gets the job done. Likes how to's random bits so fun. Man, he's so crazy, better pick up the thumb. Lamarr, well, son.